Today we're bringing some light into our dark barn with this cool foldable 6-in-1 panel light. Your deformable lamp comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started quickly and easily. Inside, you have your manual, as well as your fully collapsed light. The bottom of the light has a standard E26 base that screws into your basic light socket. The light panels are fully adjustable, making it so you can light your work area evenly, and you can even directly target light where you want it. Installation couldn't be easier. The hardest part for me was grabbing a ladder. Simply unscrew your old light bulb and screw in your new one, and then you're good to go. Flip on the light switch and you'll see an immediate difference in the lighting of your area. Our old lights really didn't make much of a difference, and we would have to put spotlights when we wanted to work. Now, that one single light shines through the whole barn. Not only is everything well lit, but I can angle up the panels to light up my attic space. I normally have to climb up there with a flashlight, but now I can actually see. As the sun started to set, you could really begin to tell how much light this was giving out. When I light a set, I flip on and off the lights to check the shadows before and after. I notice that this gives a nice and even light across the whole room. There's no harsh shadows, and it's a nice color temperature for my videos. It runs at a 6500 degree Kelvin and is pretty close to normal daylight. Now that the sun is fully set and it's dark outside, you can see the barn glowing all the way from outside. Could you imagine if we put in a second one? You'd see our barn all the way from space. Even in the pitch black of night, the light panels give off so much light and is more than bright enough to light your whole work area. It's energy efficient and has a super long runtime of 50,000 hours. I couldn't be happier to know that we have light in the barn now and that we can actually still see what we're doing after the sun sets. Before, even when the sun was up, it was still pretty dark in there. But now, we can put away our spotlights and work late into the night with our new 6-in-1 adjustable panel light. So if you're looking to light up your area, this light might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm heading back out to the barn to do some work. Because I can now. See ya!